belly, laughing boy, shoulders, yonkers, belly. Any moment now, Fat Sam will be crawling on his knees to me.
Go feed the ducks, will ya?
Oh, salute!
I said, feed it. I know, see, Bugsy.
Well, you know how it is.
You used to come and see me every night.
I've been busy.
Doing what?
Well, this and that.
Hey, Susie, will you quit the iris and hit the shoe leather? You're aces, you know that, Bugsy?
You sure you got the right guy?
You're not like all those other saps.
No?
No. You've got lovely brown eyes.
There'll be lovely black eyes if Fat Sam catches us.
I've made a lot of friends with some exotic places. I don't remember names, but I remember faces. Lonely, you don't have to be lonely.
We've been in this game a long time, using me. After all, I'm a businessman.
You're a dime-a-dozen gangster, Sam.
Now you button your lip, mister. I don't like your mouth. I got some respect.
You'd split your own throat for 2 bits plus tax.
You keep your wisecracks behind your teeth.
Keep talking.
I'm in a position to think of.
Right now, your position ain't worth a plug nickel.
You dirty rat, Dan.
You've been watching too many movies, Sam.
Okay, Bugsy, let him have it.
Yonkers Charlie, it's a double cross!
You'll have to get him to help me.
Who, the Lone Ranger?
No, you dumb Dora. Bugsy Malone. Call him. I'm in real trouble. Real trouble. And all I got for company is a female comedian.
No answer.
want you to ask him for help personally.
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 Personally.